Rasam, a heartwarming, comforting soul food, right? Let me show you how I make tomato rasam. Cook together tomato, peeled garlic, green chili in water until it turns soft and mash it well. Add turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, tamarind pulp, mix this well and set it aside. Crush together cumin, peppercorns, garlic cloves with skin into a coarse texture like this. Heat oil in a pan and temper with mustard. Now saute this just for a few seconds and not more. Add in the tomato pulp, some water and chopped coriander. Now once it starts to boil, switch off the flame immediately and it's ready.